Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a new folder in your cloud on iDrive. So let us get started. So guys, head over to iDrive.com, log into your account, and what you want to do is switch from cloud backup on the top left to cloud drive below here. So what you want to do here, guys, this is going to be your overview of all of your folders and files uploaded to your personalized cloud here on iDrive, so you can search through these, for example, here at the top. Now, if you'd like to add a completely new folder like I did, for example, with that example folder here, all you will need to do, guys, is click into that plus button or into that arrow down icon next to it and select a new folder. That is going to create your new folder. So let me rename it, like, for example, my backup. Sorry for the typo, my backup 2, for example. Press enter, that is going to create your new folder. There you go. As you can see, it has been created successfully. So now you can enter it with your left mouse or expand it by clicking into that drop down menu here. Delete it, rename it, access its details, move it to a different location, and so on and so forth. So if you click into it, you will see that this folder is currently empty, but you will be given the opportunity to store files in it by clicking into this button here. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.